Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a project share to share with you guys, as well as a how-to, just to show you guys how I created them, what I used, and how I put them together. And what I'm going to be showing you guys today is a basic little sleeve, and these are like vintage little CD sleeves, little pockets. I think they actually still sell these in the dollar store, but these can be used as little pockets to send to pen pals, excuse me, in Happy Mail. And I thought it would be a great idea just to kind of alter one of these little goodies. And this little pocket sleeve was sent to me by Vero, Daisy Lou Designs. When we thought that we had lost the book, she ended up sending me some more, like something else to alter, and I didn't end up using it, but I did want to put a video up because I ended up making them pretty just playing around on my desk, and of course I want to share it with you guys. So I'm going to show you guys the three that I have made, and then I'm going to put this one together to show you guys. You guys know that I don't sew online, like on camera. I do that behind the scenes just because I don't have a perfect angle as of yet how to sew. And if I sew, it's so loud that I have to kind of like edit the video. And you guys know, I just don't like editing the video. I want to get to the point with you guys. I want to show you what I did so you can watch the video and head on over to your craft desk and create what I made. That's basically what I want you to do. I don't want you to have to sit through a 10-minute long video because Lily had to edit a bunch of things out. So anyway, let me stop rambling and show you guys what I made. So this, you guys, believe it or not, is this. As flimsy as this is, this is it, you guys. It's more sturdy. As you can see, I backed it all over. And yeah, it's a beautiful little pocket that you can send goodies inside. You can send handmade cards. You can put like 2 or 3 cards in there and send it off. You can do anything you want to send to a pen pal and make Happy Mail super duper pretty. And look, you guys, let me show you all the details. So here's the first one. As you can see, there is stitching all the way around on each piece that I backed the sleeve with, as well as the back. I did a solid color. I didn't stitch on this one. I don't know why. I wanted to, but I did it on the one that we're going to put together. I have my little label right here. This is the Oh My Heart collection that I used on this one. Yeah, is it the Oh My Heart? Yeah, this is the Oh My Heart by Paige Evans. Let me see if I can show you. Right here. So this is the paper that I used for this collection. And you guys, I love it. I used one of the new Coco and Reno dies, the rosette dies, to put right here using the, I think it's a Horizon paper from Paige Evans. And then I did a cute little like glittery star. I have some little heart embellishments from Alicia that she had sent me, some of the cutter parts, some of the ephemera pieces. I added some resin pieces to the flowers just to give it an extra pop. I had these cute little gold clips that I added tassels to, just to give it a little something. This part right here is just a little flap part that I added. It's not all the way down. As you can see, it's just to keep the flap up and not feel so flimsy. But that's what the first one looks like. Let me show you guys what the second one looks like. You guys, I am obsessed. Put another little tassel right here. Did the same thing with the stitching all the way around. The back piece, my label. This one I decorated with some of the ephemera pieces. I used some Maggie Holmes little rose gold phrases. Cute little puffy heart from Target last year. Another one of those little hearts from Alicia. Some little resin roses from Paper Cherries. You guys know I'll have everything linked down below. Super cute. And then the last one that I created is this one. This one has a stitched line all the way across on the top. I did some layering on the little flower ephemera piece. This little flower was sent to me in some Happy Mail, as well as this one. I just thought it went super cute. I did some enamel dots, some layering with the paper, this cute little ephemera piece right here, and of course the tassel on this one as well. But you guys, I think these turned out so cute. You can even send them like a little set to your pen pal. You can send one to each pen pal you have. We're filled with goodies. Options are endless, you guys, but let me show you how I put it together. This is the little sleeve, as you can see. And then what I do is I'm going to put the back part first. And as you can see, I stitched around this one. And we're going to put this one right here in the back. And that's just to add to the sturdiness, to the sturdiness of your sleeve. You don't have to add that much ATG to it. I just am excessive sometimes. Okay, so you're gonna place that there. And then you're gonna put, all my pieces are together. I even decorated it. This is what my back piece looks like. And that's what goes right here. See that? So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna use your ATG or whatever adhesive you wanna use. And just put that right here. And now it's coming along. So you got your little top flap, you got your back piece. And then we're gonna do the cover. I've already decorated the cover. This is what it looks like. I did some stitching on the back piece. And then I added a bunch of her flower ephemeras, added some little gems, some resin pieces, some little pearls, some little confetti plasticky hearts. I also stitched around the circle that says let's stay home. And I absolutely love how it turned out. So this is what it looks like. And look, you guys, isn't that adorable? So what you want to do is just put that down on your envelope. And this is what it looks like. So you tape that down. Oops. Oh, it's more on the edge this way. Let me take that off. Then you put that down. And look, you guys, I think this one is actually my favorite. Let me put them all here. This one is so cute. I love the minty green, the gold threading. Absolutely love how this turned out. And look, you guys, it opens up. You can put so much in there. Fill it up with some embellishments, maybe some cards, some cut aparts, anything you want. But yeah, you guys, that is this. I thought would be a quick video showing you guys how to alter these little sleeves if you come across them in the dollar store, because they still have them to store some like CDs and stuff like that, DVDs. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.